Unlock your spiritual power. 5 daily rituals to raise your vibration and transform your life. Welcome to your daily dose of soul-aligned empowerment. Whether you're a burned-out professional, a stay-at-home mom who just hid in the laundry room for 5 minutes of silence, or someone quietly Googling, "What is a spiritual awakening?" at 2 a.m., this is for you. You're about to unlock something powerful, something already inside you. This is Unlock Your Spiritual Power, 5 daily rituals to raise your vibration and transform your life. Because transformation doesn't have to be dramatic. Sometimes it starts with lighting a candle and choosing peace. So plug in, take a deep breath, and let's go on a journey to rediscover your spiritual potential without the fluff, the guilt, or the incense-induced sneezing. Ritual 1. The Morning Reset. Let's begin with your mornings. Not the Pinterest perfect ones, but the real ones. The ones where your alarm is spiritual trauma in ringtone form. Instead of doom scrolling, start your day with 5 minutes of silent alignment. Sit up, feet on the ground, palms open, eyes closed. Say, "I am open to receiving. I choose peace. Today I rise in alignment." This simple ritual activates your energy alignment before the coffee, before the chaos. Then grab a journal and do the manifestation mind dump. List 3 things you're grateful for, 3 things you're calling in, and 1 limiting belief you're letting go of today. You don't have to be perfect, just consistent. Ritual 2. The High Vibe Walk. We call this walking the frequency. Take a 10-minute walk without your phone. Each step, imagine you're stepping deeper into your dream life. Visualize the version of you who already has everything you're manifesting. Say to yourself as you walk, "I am already living it." Because your brain believes what you repeat. Might as well feed it something empowering. If walking isn't your thing, do this while brushing your teeth. No judgment. Spirituality meets real life here. Ritual 3. The Energy Cleanse. Ever feel like your energy's been hijacked by a coworker's complaint or the news cycle? This is your daily energetic reset. Stand or sit, close your eyes. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold. Exhale for 6 counts. Now imagine a golden light pouring over you, washing off stress, fear, and Karen from accounting. Say, "I release what is not mine. I call back my power." Do this midday, post-lunch, after meetings, before your toddler paints the cat again. This ritual is your armor and your spa all in one. Ritual 4. The Lazy Girl Manifestation. We love lazy. This is a manifestation for people who don't have time to script 8 pages by moonlight. Before bed, grab your phone, yes, I said it, and record a 30-second voice memo. Start with, "Dear Universe, here's what I see for myself." Then, describe your ideal day in the present tense. Be specific. Let it feel juicy. Listen to that memo tomorrow. This is scripting, visualization, and affirmation all in one effortless ritual. And it works because your subconscious is listening while you're half asleep. Sneaky, huh? Ritual 5. The Spiritual Self-Check. Right before sleep, ask yourself, did I honor my energy today? Did I act from love or fear? What can I forgive myself for right now? Then whisper, I am enough. I release today. I trust the unfolding. This is your emotional detox. It keeps resentment from renting space in your body. And no, you don't need to do all of this perfectly. You just need to keep showing up. Because spiritual power isn't loud, it's quiet. It's in the habits. It's in the micro moments where you choose alignment over autopilot. In closing, you've just unlocked the keys to something deeper. This is Unlock Your Spiritual Power, 5 daily rituals to raise your vibration and transform your life. It's a new way of living, a softer, smarter, more intentional you. Start small. Be consistent. Watch how your life starts aligning without the struggle. And remember, you're not behind. You're not broken. You're just waking up to the power that's been yours all along.
See it tomorrow, Soul Warrior.